Hello friends! Dry etching is not just loading a wafer into a chamber, that is only the starting point. A dry etch tool also needs a vacuum system, a gas supply, and a power source. Here we use one simplified chamber to show the basic idea. In real fabs, different dry etch methods use different specialized tools, but the tool logic is similar. First the chamber is pumped down, vacuum pumps remove normal air. This creates low pressure and a controlled environment. Then, selected process gas flows into the chamber, so gas flow and pumping hold the pressure stable. In chemical dry etching, the gas flows around the wafer, and the gas chemistry drives the etch. Once the gas reaches an exposed surface, the chemical reaction has no strong vertical direction, so bottom surfaces and sidewalls can be attacked. That often gives a more isotropic etch profile. A different route is physical sputtering. Here, ions are accelerated by an electric field and bombard the wafer surface. They can knock atoms out of the exposed material. This needs very low pressure, so the particles can travel more directionally. Because the ions are accelerated towards the wafer, the removal becomes much more directional. And then there is plasma etching. Here, electric power turns the gas into a plasma. The plasma creates reactive species, which can chemically attack the wafer surface. Reactive ion etching, or RIE, combines both ideas: reactive plasma chemistry and ion bombardment towards the wafer. The chemistry helps remove material, while the ion direction adds vertical preference. That is how chemical etching can become more directional. So dry etching is not one single method, but the basic tool needs come back again and again. A controlled chamber, process gas, and energy. That is what makes it a controlled etching process, not just a wafer inside a chamber. Until next time, let's keep exploring science and technology. Before you go, if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. A like and a comment always help the channel. And you may also enjoy one of the videos on screen.